Hello, my name is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs, and I am back with my first job up here in Kokomo, Indiana, and this job was on this specific PC tower right here. It is an HP Pavilion P6510F PC, and on this one, I had to basically back up data on the hard drive, and cause the hard drive was due to an imminent failure. This hard drive right here. So I had to get the client to order a new hard drive, which finally came in. Client brought it by last night, I believe, and from there I took the old hard drive out, put in the new hard drive, installed Windows 7 Ultimate to it first, got it activated with genuine copy of Windows, and then from there I installed Windows 10 Pro, and once Windows 10 Pro got installed on there, I did the Windows updates, got Windows Antivirus installed on there, installed the drivers, and then after that stuff was done, I put his data backup back on his hard drive, so now he has his photos, documents, downloads, and videos, and all that back on there. And I'm in the process of waiting on said client to come pick up his PC. Thank you.